Okay, so I've glued all the corners in place with the shoulder strap. So this is the last side here, and using the CA glue. So I know it's going to run down, so I'm going to start with the edge here. And this has already been prepped for glue, so it means it's already been sanded, so the inside and so forth has been as well. And I'm going to try to line that back edge up right there with the detail shoulder strap, and then try to quickly get as many clamps on as possible. I'm going to compress the sides down, as well as top, just to make sure everything's going to totally stay in place here. This stuff kicks pretty quick. Alright, and the thing I want to do is put a little bit of CA glue on the inside, just to make sure it's definitely not going to go anywhere. There we go, let's put the kicker. Same thing on the top side. And use a little bit of the air to accelerate it. And the underneath side of it. That's it. Pull the clamps off and let it sit just a little bit longer. I mean, while it's still yellow, it's fresh. So you can see on this side here, it's already clear. This is the first corner I did, and it's quite yellow here. Means it's quite fresh. I also want to go back through and just add a little bit of CA glue in the corners here. Just make sure it's completely filled, and a tiny bit across the top there, and then spray that again with the kicker, and just let that sit for a minute. And that's pretty much it, other than now doing the side plates, but I think that's pretty self-explanatory as far as putting CA glue, gluing them in, and then it'll be Velcro that connects to the front side, such like that. Just again making sure that this cut ridge aligns right with the edge of the indentation there on the inner panel, and just as a reminder, this does not get the seamless look. Obviously you need to have access to put this on. So that pretty much shows how to put the chest and back together with the shoulder straps. The only other thing will be the little detail pieces. I can show how to do that at another time.